In this video, I'll show you how to contact EA Sports support through live chat in 2025. First, go to help.ea.com in your web browser and sign in with your EA account to access personalized support options. Next, select the specific EA Sport games you need help with, such as FIFA, Madden, or NBA Live. Then browse through the help articles or use the search function to see if your issue has a quick solution available. If you need direct support, scroll down and tap Contact Us button and select Chat. Fill out the required information about your issue, including game or product, console, and problem description. Then, you can also attach a file here. Then tap Submit. Then tap Chat with us. Finally, join the chat queue and wait to be connected with an EA support representative. Live chat is typically available during business hours, and that's how to contact EA Sports Support via live chat.